showing how to install a rigging friction saver with throw line string. And what I did was, instead of unspooling 150 feet of throw line string, I pulled out the desired length and I fed it through the big ring and hit my desired branch union. And now what I like to do is just thread it over my shoulder and I take the shaft pouch off. This is going from top down. I'm going to feed this in from the top down. Reinstall my shaft pouch. So this ring on my shaft pouch does not fit through the small ring on the friction saver. So I can take the running end of the string, throw line string, and run it up to the branch union. When I get to about 6 to 8 inches below the branch union, I give it a nice jerk. So that sets the friction saver, rigging friction saver in the tree. And I can just drop the shaft pouch down. And alright, now we're going to retrieve it. So we have to know which end is the big ring side. This end is the big ring side, so the knot fits through the big ring and catches on the small ring and pulls the friction saver out of the branch unit or the limb. We're going to do a controlled lower, so I put my string on in back of the knot, not in front of the knot, just so it doesn't slide down. I'm going to pull the knot up and fit through the big ring, get on the small ring, and now we can control lower. System. If I'm just working over grass or turf, I usually don't control over it. But if I'm working over asphalt or hard surface pavers, then it's highly recommended to control lower. And it is.